Hello there, and welcome to Simple Guy Videos. Today I'm making a breakfast taco. So I got my turkey sausage here. This is the Mexican flavored taco rice I made in the rice video. And this is just half of a yellow onion chopped. So let's get started. Alright, here we are at our stove. I got my pan. I'm just going to go ahead and put in a bit of oil. That's plenty. Light it up. Alright, when your pan's heated, your oil's nice and hot, you can go ahead and toss in your onion. And we're going to cook this until the onion has started turning translucent. So kind of see-through. Alright, so my onions are starting to go translucent, so I'm just going to kind of push them off to the side a bit. I'm going to add in my turkey sausage straight from the tube. And kind of chop it up a bit. Alright, and I'm going to season. What I'm using is this Pollo Asado seasoning. You can see here it's salt, garlic, paprika, turmeric, black pepper, cumin, white pepper. Those are the basics. If you don't want to buy something like this, what you really need is garlic, white pepper, cumin, salt. That's basically all it is. So go ahead and add your seasoning. I'm going to be pretty generous with this stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and just chop some more. Kind of stir it a bit, right? I don't feel like I got enough seasoning in there, so I'm going to give it another dusting. Stir it around a bit. Then I'm gonna cover it. And just let it cook. I'm gonna check on it every couple of minutes. I'll show you when we're done. Alright, so here we are. Our sausage is pretty much there. We're just gonna go ahead and give it a good mix. Turn up the heat a little bit. Let it simmer down. I got it on high right now, so we're going to get most of that liquid out. Alright, here we are. I'm going to turn it down to a kind of low, medium low, and we're going to add in some eggs. I'm going to use two eggs. Scoop all of this off to the side. One egg, 2 eggs. Eggs are a bit expensive where I am right now, so I don't want to use too much. Just gonna slosh it around a bit, stir it up, let it cook, and then we're gonna mix it in with the rest. Alright, we're getting there. Just gonna mix a little bit more, These things right here are the best for making eggs. So get yourself one of these, make sure it's heat resistant. And once this egg is just about done, we're gonna mix it into the rest. You wanna make sure you're cooking your eggs on a lower heat. That prevents it from getting like rubbery, so cooking on the lower heat keeps like that velvety texture of eggs. It just makes for a better mouth experience. Alright, so it's just about there. We're going to go ahead and just mix it in. Then I'm going to throw the lid back on and just let it finish cooking. Just a couple of minutes, like 2. So, alright, and here we are. This is our finished mix. Again, it's just turkey sausage, seasoned, onions, and egg. And we're making some breakfast tacos out of this. Alright, here we are. It's time to plate. Just gonna add a couple of things. We'll go with some guacamole. Can't go wrong with a little guac, right? A little bit of mild salsa. Some of this taco rice we made in the last video. And the main part, our turkey sausage, onion, and egg. Alright, and there you are, guys. Give it a shot. Hope you like it. Thank you for coming to the channel. I'll be making more recipe videos soon, so stay tuned.